In today's video, I am going to teach you how to clear your browsing history on your Android phone. Whether you are tidying up your device, freeing a bit of storage, or just starting fresh, clearing your history is quick and helps your browser run smoothly. Most Android phones use Google Chrome by default, and many Samsung phones also include Samsung Internet. I will walk you through both so you can follow along with the browser you use. Let's start with Google Chrome. Open the Chrome app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap the three vertical dots to open the More menu. Choose History, then tap Delete Browsing Data. At the top, pick your time range. Last hour is great for a quick cleanup, while all time wipes everything. Make sure browsing history is checked so your visited sites are cleared. If you want a deeper clean, you can also select cookies and site data or cached images and files. Cookies can sign you out of sites and clearing the cache can free storage. But pages may load a bit slower the first time afterward. When you are ready, tap Delete Data and confirm. That's it, your Chrome history is cleared. Now for Samsung Internet. Open the Samsung Internet app. In the bottom right corner, tap the three horizontal lines to open the Tools menu. Go to Settings, then tap Personal Browsing Data. Choose Delete Browsing Data. You will see options like browsing history and cookies. Select what you want to remove, then tap Delete Data and confirm. Samsung's menus can vary slightly by version, but the flow is the same. Head into Settings, find Personal Browsing Data. Choose what to delete, and confirm. A few quick tips to help you choose wisely. The time range matters. Use shorter ranges for small cleanups and all time for a full reset. Clearing cookies and site data can fix odd website behavior, but it may log you out and reset preferences. Clearing cached images and files is safe and can free space. Just expect a brief slowdown when sites reload assets. If you see options for saved passwords or autofill data, leave those unchecked if you rely on them. And if you use Chrome with Sync turned on, deleting history on your phone may remove it across devices tied to your account, depending on your sync settings. You are all set. Repeat these steps anytime you want a fresh start. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.